In this video, I'm about to show you how to renew your driving license online in Washington, D.C. First, navigate to your web browser and search for Renew Driving License Washington, D.C. Click the first link to visit the DC DMV website. Once on the site, you'll find on-screen instructions on how to renew your license. First, enter your driver's license renewal information. Now, complete the medical questionnaire and update your organ donor information. Then, pay for the online driver's license renewal using a valid credit card and review payment information. After that, print the receipt page of your records and if necessary, the 45 days temporary paper driver's license. Within 15 business days, DC DMV will mail your driver's license to your address on record. You can renew your license online by clicking Renew Your Driving License Online. Following that, complete all the steps and enter the required details to start the renewal of your license. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.